Tying Nattuvangam in just 6 steps. In every step, measure and cut the thread in palm size. Now, fold the thread into half and insert the bended portion from outside hole to the other side. Hence, you would have a hole like this. Cut a thread and insert it into that hole. Make 2 tight knots. Pull the thread in other side to make the knot properly set into the hole. Placing upside down, measure the thread for your Nattuvangam's height. Here I am taking 4 times the palm size. Now fold the thread into half and place it exactly in the center. Make a casual knot and check whether the height is equal. Now make it very tight. Holding all the leftover threads together, start to roll the thread from top of the Nattuvangam. The rolls must be very closer and tight. Do it till the neck part and here make it very tight and increase the number of rolls. Similarly, in reverse, make rolls from bottom to top. Now you can cut the thread as it reaches the top. Finally, make knots randomly with all the leftover threads. You can cut these leftovers or use it to tie some sponge or any other decorative items if you want. Cut the balance thread in the front part of the Nattuvangam. Takka-takka-tikka takka-tadinginatum takka-dimi 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 takka-dimi.